Rob from the Off-Grid Tiny House. I have a day off. First time in a long time. 27.3 Celsius in here, or 81.3. Got the window open, nice and windy out. Today, I want to do my bedding in the wash. I got lots of water. I captured 100 gallons overnight in that big storm. And when I get all the bedding off of here, I'm going to take the bed, send it that way, send the bed frame that way, hopefully, and move a couple of my pantries this way, because I'm going to tackle the wall today, taking this section down, going to kill the mold, and leave the tiny house a giant mess. So first, laundry, then I'll get to that. Alrighty guys, so I took the headboard off, and I just got to flip this guy up, and hopefully take him back this way. And we're going to take a trip down here. I got the bed right here, about the middle of the tiny house, doing the laundry. I got most of the pillowcases and one pillow in, so it's doing its thing off the grid. Then I got my lineup queue of everything else I'm going to be doing here, and go from there. One thing I do need to do when this cycle stops over, throw a power bar on this extension cord so I can plug the washer in and my dryer in at the same time. So we'll do that. And I still got leftover bleach for when I do get access to the wall back there. It's gonna be hot in here. I'm gonna be sweating. I didn't bother putting the AC on because, well, I want to have the windows open for dealing with this mold issue. Probably a good idea, in my opinion. So yeah, so next I gotta get rid of this bed, and we'll get to it. So I'm gonna try to get this out of here, guys, without disrupting my power down with the extension cord back here. And this should just slide on the floor, I'm hoping, without screwing up the floor. It's just on a piece of 2x4, so I think we'll be okay. I'm going to try to slide the bed down further and then continue down here with the bed frame, hopefully. That way I have a little bit of better walking room here. Floor looks okay. So even on my day off, I gotta work. But it's okay, because it's gotta be done here at the tiny house. Gotta be done. Gotta be safe. Safer than sorry. There we go. Sweet. So in case the camera missed that, I slid the bed down further and then bed frame down further, so I have a little walkway to get back and forth to the laundry. Next, I'm going to do these pantries. So this guy's going to have to come out and way over here, as well as this guy. And this guy has to get past the batteries, because the batteries stick out quite a bit. So, fun, guys, here at the Off-Grid Tiny House. And I'm going to crack this window open. Okay, guys. Let's move some pantries. I'm going to try to move them as close to this wall or this side as I can. I don't know if that window is drowning out the light, but we'll find out. stretch out this extension cord so it goes up and over. I really need to run proper wiring in the tiny house, I'll tell you that. So I don't have to use extension cords. What a concept, eh guys? But, like I said, work in progress, as usual. Alright, let's see if I can get this pantry out of here. I gotta load the fridge up with some more water too. Probably a good idea to do that sometime. I did take a water out already for myself, and I'm wondering where I put it actually before I bury stuff. Oh, here it is. Because once I move this secondary pantry over, it's going to be pretty tough for me to get to the fridge. I think that's plenty enough space. Oh look, I can reach the vacuum cleaner. No way. I'm gonna do that right now. Ta-da! Magic. Cool stuff. So that'll work out. Yeah, the lighting's not too bad. Leave the vacuum hanging right there. And I will get to this. So I'm going to plug in the camera so I don't lose power. Might be a smart idea. Oops, wrong USB. Turn the fan on for a second. There we go. Perfect. Alrighty, guys. So right down here, I'll zoom down. Do you see that black mark there? That's the indicator of the mold. So I gotta cut that section of flooring out actually too, but I'll get to that after I reveal the wall. So I gotta grab a Phillips bit and start ripping and tearing this wall. And I got my nice handy dandy hammer in the window, keeping the window open. So there we go. So we'll change bits over. I'll leave that bit handy. And we'll go to town. There we go. Gonna check on the laundry, guys, so take a quick break here.